Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and we are revising the subject of psychology for first BHMS student, and we are dealing with important topics only. The topic we are dealing today is topic number 14, and it is for Albrecht von Heller. Albrecht von Heller was a Swiss anatomist, physiologist, naturalist and poet. And he is related to homeopathy in a very special way, as you will see in aphorism 108 under the footnote. Dr. Hahnemann writes about him. Here Albrecht von Heller is quoted in the footnote to paragraph 108 in the Organon of Medicine, which is a very important and monumental work by founder of homeopathy Samuel Hahnemann. In this paragraph, Hahnemann describes how the curative powers of individual medicines can only be ascertained through accurate observation of their specific effects on healthy humans. And under this particular note he writes, not one single physician, as far as I know, during the previous 2500 years thought of this so natural, so absolutely necessary and only genuine mode of testing medicines for their pure and peculiar effects in determining the health of man, in order to learn what morbid state each medicine is capable of curing, except the great and immortal Albrecht von Heller. He alone, besides myself, saw the necessity of this, but no one, not a single physician, attended to or followed up this invaluable hint. That is what Hahnemann writes under that footnote. And that quotation from von Heller was translated from Latin, and that includes as, of course, firstly the remedy must be proved on the healthy body without being mixed with anything foreign, and when its odor and flavor have been ascertained, a tiny dose of it should be given and attention paid to all the changes of state that takes place. What the pulse is, what the heart there is, what sort of breathing and what exertion there are. Then in relation to the form of the phenomena in healthy persons from those exposed to it, you should move on to trials on a sick body. The account of the first Hahnemann's proving was published in Latin in 1803 as an essay entitled Fragmenta de Verbiis Medicamentorum Positivius. So this is the bibliography what we have used in preparing this particular workup. Thank you very much for your patient listening.